Hello, Ma. Have a nice day. Nice to meet you. May I introduce myself? My name is Norma Greg. I'm at 30 years old. I'm a singer. My education is high school level. My height is 5 feet. My weight is 49 kg. I have a family member. I had experience in Singapore for a year for the take care baby cleaning and cooking only. But I had experience in Myanmar for the elderly care. So now I want to try to do the elderly patient care in Singapore. I can do the elderly care is the strong patient where he wake up. I do for him all personal hygiene. I check the blood pressure, wash the face, give the food, give the medicine, relax and wheelchair, talk to him, watch the TV, do the exercise, and shower for him, and like that he's sleeping. Thank you, Ma.